Mmm. Yo, what up? It's Callie Eats. On my lunch break, I was craving a burger. So I went to one of my go-to spots for sure. I went to Our Burgers. They got a bunch of locations around me. I got one in Moval. They have one in Redlands. But their burger, it just does it for me. Look at that bitch. Ooh. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Cheers. If you have a burger, eat it along with me. Mmm. So good. I got it with no onion, no tomato right now. Sometimes I'll get the tomato. If I'm at work, the onion, you already know. I don't get that one. It's just classic. Delicious. I am a pickle fan, so you will find some pickles in here. If y'all have any burger spots in the area you want me to try, let me know. Drop it in the comments or message me. I'm always looking for new spots. Obviously not just burger spots. Just if you know of a spot you want Callie to go, shit, let me know. Couple bites left. Last bite. Y'all have a beautiful day. Peace.